The next one, show that none of the operations given below has identity in Q set of rational numbers. So the first operation given as A star B equal to A minus B. If there is an identity, to find the identity we will take E as the identity and we will write the relation as A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A. Now our intention is to find E satisfying this relation. So what is A star E? By definition A star B is A minus B. So A star E is equal to A minus E. That must be equal to A and that must be equal to E minus A. Can you say any value in the rational number? Can you say any rational number in which A minus E equal to E minus A and that must be equal to A? No. So therefore we can conclude that there exists no identity element E in Q satisfying A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A. That means there is no identity element. Okay. For the second one, A star B equal to A square plus B square. So here also we will take E as identity element and we have to find E such that A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A. By definition A star E is equal to A square plus E square must be equal to A is equal to E square plus A square and A square plus E square is equal to A square plus E square. But can you say any value in the rational number such that A square plus E square is equal to A? No. So that no rational number satisfies the condition. That implies there exists no E in Q, element of Q, such that A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A, which implies there is no identity element. Third one, A star B is equal to A plus AB. There also we will take E as identity element with the condition A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A. What is A star E? By definition A plus AE. That must be equal to A and that must be again equal to E plus AE. Okay, all the three must be equal. A plus AE must be equal to A and that must be equal to E plus AE. We have to find an E satisfying this condition and there exists no no rational number such that A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A. That means there is no identity element for this star also. Fourth one, A star B equal to A minus B the whole square. There also we will take identity element as E with the condition A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A. What is A star E? By definition does A minus E the whole square is equal to A is equal to E minus A the whole square. And we know that A minus E the whole square is equal to E minus A the whole square. But can you find a condition satisfying A minus E the whole square is equal to A? No. So for one or two values it will hold, but we have to find an E such that it satisfies for all the rational numbers because we took it in set Q. Okay, so what is the conclusion? There exists no E element of Q. That means there is no rational number such that A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A. Fifth one, A star B is equal to AB square. So what we have to check? We have to check A star E. We have to find a value E such that A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A. What is A star E? AE square must be equal to A and that must be equal to EA square. If we are taking only this much AE square equal to A, we can find an E, isn't it? But it must satisfy this side also. It must be equal to EA square also. That is why there exists no E element of rational number such that A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A. That means there is no identity element. And for the last part, A star B equal to AB by 4. So here also we will take E as identity with the condition A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A. What is A star E? AE by 4 is equal to A is equal to EA by 4. Isn't it? AE by 4 is the same as EA by 4. So if I am operating that AE by 4 is equal to A, we need to take only 1. That implies AE is equal to 4A. So if I take it to the left side, AE minus 4A is equal to 0. So that A into E minus 4 is equal to 0. So A can either take the value 0 or it can be non-zero. A is just an element of Q. Q is a rational number, 0 is also a rational number. So A can take the value 0 in some cases, but it will not always happen. So this implies E minus 4 is equal to 0, which implies a value of E as 4. So the fifth part of the question has an identity element 4, which is an element of Q and satisfies the condition A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A for all A element of rational number. So for this question only, we have an identity element E equal to 4. Okay.